Welcome to Cox Chevrolet. I'm Tony Hockett. I wanted to introduce you to the 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. This has a 2.7 high output turbo motor in it. It has great horsepower, great trailering abilities. It's also one of the most affordable trucks in the market. For the first time ever, the 2023 Silverado is the #1 selling truck in America. Based on the price point, we've got four-wheel drive, we've got towing capacity, we've got huge cargo space in this vehicle. We've got a very spacious interior, one of the best in class. We got plenty of room in the back seats. We've also got vents in the back seats to keep any passengers riding in this vehicle nice and cool during their ride. It's got all the infotainment system. It's got wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto. It's got all the tech for the techies out there. Other than that, have a nice day. Come visit me at Cox Chevrolet.